Canva download location. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can change Canva download location. So if you are a person who work all the day on Canva and you want to download all your files in a specific folder or in a specific location, then it's really important that you do these settings so that your workflow will be very efficient for you. Okay, now before getting started, let me request you one thing, that please like this video and subscribe my channel. It will really help me grow on YouTube. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, before showing you how you can do it, I want to tell you one thing, that guys, see, the Canva you are using, it's a video editor you are using on the external browser, right? You are using on either Google browser, Microsoft browser, Safari, or whatever it is. And that is the reason you need to do the external setting, not the internal settings. Okay, and that is why if you go to the file on Canva and you go to the settings, you won't see any option to change your location, right? And even if you click on the sidebar, you won't get any option like that. So like, see guys, if we have installed any software in our computer, then you get the option internally on that software to change your download location. But in the case of those software which you are using externally in a browser, then you need to change the settings of the browser. Okay, so now I'll show you what settings you need to change in order to change our download settings, right? So in that case, you just need to open a new tab on your browser. Whatever the browser you are using, just open up one new browser. Okay, I'm using Google Chrome, and I believe that you are also using Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is the beast on browser, right? So let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is go to the top right corner, click here and hover your mouse on, bring your mouse on settings, just click over it, and then from here you need to go to download. So here I have the option download, just click on the download, or if you do not have the download option, just click on the search bar DOWN download. So here you will get the option of download, as you can see. So here on the download option, you have three options available. Location, right? So if you are not getting the option download, then just type location and then it will give you this option. So I have the option here, so I'll just click here directly and then you'll get this option. As you can see, whatever the files, videos, music, or whatever I download from the internet, from the Google Chrome, it will automatically be downloaded on my download location. As you can see, C drive, user, my file, and then downloads. So you just need to change this as it was on the download. Now I'll just make a new folder here. I'll just say you can just select any folder that you like. Okay, so in the download, I'll just make a new folder, Canva. Let's make a folder, CANVA, Canva download. Just select this, select the folder. That's it. Now let's try to download something. As you can see here, I'll just download this one. So now it is being downloaded, and then go to here and then go to Canva. As you can see, it is downloaded now. I have successfully changed my location and it is successfully be downloaded on my new folder, as you can see. So guys, this is how you can do it. I hope this video definitely helped you. If you have any question, errors on your phone, on your software, whatever the problem you may have, you can contact me, like you can WhatsApp me on this number, and I will make a video on it and I will send it to you. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video definitely helped you. If this video really helped you, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.